Hey, let me show you the LTE Plus speed test on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Okay, currently it's even 5G, so it will be actually the 5G speed test. So I'm gonna use the Google one, and let's take a look how the 5G performs on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Okay, so it's really slow. I'm not sure if there's like some kind of the bug with this 5G, because previously I've got the LTE Plus. So I guess this is actually the speed of the LTE Plus, not of the 5G, because it's like definitely too slow. I've got like download for the 1.6 megabytes in this per second, and the upload it's higher, so that's actually weird. But maybe I will try to make another test. So let's get back from this one and let's try this one. There we go. Yeah, the website actually loading really slow. So I guess it's on the LTE Plus, yeah. So let's try for this website. First we got the latency, it's 103 milliseconds. Now downloading. Okay, it's like super slow right now. It's even slower than with this Google one. I'm gonna grant this permission access. Maybe it will be increased over the time, but currently it's like super slow. And as you can see, it's still switched to the 5G. Previously it was LTE Plus. Okay, so I'm not sure if this speed test is actually correct, because it's like super slow. But yeah, that's actually how it looks. Let's try for this one another time. Okay, so it's like really close to this previous test. You know what? I'm not sure, but maybe there's like some kind of the issue with my SIM card. Yeah, I'm gonna actually upload this one into the YouTube. It's actually kind of interesting. Maybe you had the same issue on the Galaxy A35 5G, but I'm gonna try to make this test like few days after this, and we'll actually make the comparison. So that's all for this video. If you like it, please subscribe.